Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joni and I am the blogger behind SimpleLivingMama.com, and today is Vlogmas Day number 5. So this is going to be another sit down video in which I talk to you about how we do gifts in our large family, and I'm excited to share that with you. So I'll just get started right at the beginning and tell you guys, if you don't know, we are a family of 8. We have 6 kids. They are 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, and 11. So that's a lot of kids to buy for, not including any extended family or anything like that. So probably about 2 to 3, maybe even 4 years ago, I had heard about people doing this 4 gift rule: something you want, something you need, something to wear, and something to read. And I decided that we were just going to do that for us as well, because trying to figure out gifts, trying to make everything somewhat even, trying to figure out how many gifts to give each person, it had become extremely overwhelming to me, and I needed to simplify it. So for us, that was a great way to simplify it, and that way the kids weren't getting just tons of gifts. They were getting things that they could actually use and things that they actually wanted. Of course, this does not include any gifts that family members give the kids. I'm not somebody who's going to tell other people what to get the kids. I just, I'm grateful for anything that anybody gives my kids. So, whatever grandparents want to give the kids is perfectly fine with me. Of course, they do ask, and we give them a list of things that are not on that 4 gift rule list. So from mom and dad, they get 4 gifts. They also get 1 gift each from Santa plus stocking stuffers. And the stocking stuffers aren't anything like extravagant. It's little things like candy, chapstick, stuff like that. Play-Doh for the little ones, maybe some new crayons or colored pencils or something like that. So we try to keep the stocking stuffers pretty simple. Santa does not bring the most expensive, most wanted gift. Mom and dad get the credit for that. So Santa does bring a nice gift. It's usually $30 and under range. And then mom and dad do all of the other gifts. So I'm going to sort of talk to you guys about what I got my kids this year. I don't know if they're gonna try to watch this video or not. They might. But they do give us a list. We say, okay, come up with the 4 things that you want from us. Something you want, something you need, something to wear, and something to read. And they pretty much do that. So for my 2 older boys, they are actually getting a combined gift because they wanted a new Nintendo Switch. And the name of my channel is SimpleLivingMama.com, and I think I'm going to address this in a later video, talking about living a simple lifestyle and then also technology. But my kids do have video game time, and they love video games. I have my oldest son. He actually wants to be a computer engineer, and I am all about fostering their interest. I'm not going to ban them from doing something just because I don't necessarily like it. I don't play video games, but I obviously use technology. I'm a blogger, I'm on YouTube. Technology is a big part of our life. My kids are not going to be technology ignorant in today's world. So they do have access to video games that we approve, obviously, and other forms of technology. So that is like their big family gift. My oldest daughter asked for a doll bed for, she has those My Life as dolls, the 18-inch, kind of like American Girl knockoff dolls. She asked for a doll bed. So that's what she's going to get. And then I've talked about it on my blog. I got a play kitchen for my 3-year-old daughter. I got Magna-Tiles for my 2-year-old, and then we got a Power Wheels dune buggy thing for my 3-year-old, and that was another kind of expensive gift. It wasn't as expensive as the Switch, but that's something that will be used by multiple kids. And even though it says his name on it, multiple children will be using that one. So I wasn't too upset about spending that amount of money on him. Now, of course, we do something to wear, and this year is pretty simple because the kids are pretty well covered on clothing. So I just got my oldest son some shirts. I got my two middle sons some pajamas, and then the baby needed some church clothes, so he did get a little bit more than the others. My daughter got some leggings. She's also getting clothes from other family members because she did need some more clothes. And then my 3-year-old daughter, I just got her an outfit because she has clothes galore. So she didn't need a ton of stuff, but I picked her out a really cute outfit. And then something you need, we got the kids some sleeping bags and then something to read, just some different books that we picked out. My oldest son, now if you know anything about The Good and the Beautiful and Jenny Phillips' view on books, this is not going to be on her approved book list, but he really loves those Diary of a Minecraft Creeper books. So I got him one of those. I am all about, as long as it's not a horrible message, letting my kids read what they enjoy. So he's not a big reader and he'll read those books. So that's what I'm having him read. That's what I got for him. That's what he wanted, so that's what I got for him. I had a bug book for one of my kids that loves bugs, and then just like some I Spy books for the little ones. We have tons and tons of classics. So I've done that in years past just to kind of help round out our bookshelves, but I just got some really simple, fun books this year. I wasn't too focused on trying to get some of those must-have books. That was my main thing. So yeah, I think I pretty much covered it. Oh, for my 3-year-old, I got the cutest Mary and baby Jesus plush doll. It's so adorable. It comes from a shop called Stay Close to Christ, and I think she'll really like that too. So yeah, and then they'll also be getting their Santa gifts, and I don't think I named off everything I got for the baby because I can't even remember it right now off the top of my head. 6 kids times 4 gifts, that's 24 gifts right there. And then of course Santa gifts and stocking stuffers. It's a lot to keep track of, but that's how we do it in our large family. Even though the kids aren't getting a ton each, of course a lot of the things they will end up playing with and letting their siblings play with and all of that. And it still looks like a lot under the tree, even though, you know, they're not getting 20 presents each. And that's not what Christmas is about. I can remember growing up and going back to school and people being like, well, I got 20 presents from Santa Claus. And, you know, that's not what Christmas is about. It's not about just getting a whole bunch of toys and a whole bunch of junk that you're not going to even remember, you know, a month down the road. You know, that's not what we're trying to instill in our children. So that's not what it's about. But, you know, we still like to have fun with it. We still like to update toys and get things that the kids enjoy also. So that is it for today's video, Vlogmas Day 5. In our large family, we do the 4 gift rule: something you want, something you need, something to wear, and something to read. Pretty simple, but it's still a lot of shopping for mom and a lot of trying to keep track of things in my head and down in my planner. But anyways, that's how we do it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are participating in Vlogmas this month. We will not have any videos during the weekend, but we will have videos during the week. I think I have them ready through the 23rd. So that is when we will stop with Vlogmas, but we're having a lot of fun with it so far. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video.